I'm going to cut across to Maushmi joining us. She's with a Congress leader. Maushmi, over to you. Sandeep, Dixit, Maushmi, go on.
Nabila, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, we're joined by Sandeep, Dixit, and we'll see how the political ramifications of what the Supreme Court has said, what the Congress has to say. Let's talk in this exclusive conversation to Sandeep Dixit, who has actually raised the issue of electoral bonds earlier as well. Mr. Sandeep Dixit, the Supreme Court giving a big verdict, banning electoral bonds, and also saying that this SBI has to give the entire data to the Election Commission that has to make it public.
I think it's a very, very big, very important judgment, and I welcome this judgment, and I'm sure when the party will come up with its official announcement, the entire party will also welcome it. Not only the party, all the opposition parties in India. Ever since the bond scheme came, initially there were some party that was supporting it and all, but subsequently it was found that this was being used by the government to almost corner up all the resources available in the nation. And it's okay if people want to donate to a political party or not. But the issue is when there is a very, very clear connection, and that has been seen right across, between sometimes what kind of funding a business house does, how does it impact either the budget or government's policy, which is industrial or financial. People of that nation need to know who are the supporters behind a political party financially, and whether it's making any adverse impact on the government's policies. And you can always have policies that are pro-industry or not, but whether contributions to public funds is actually impacting and therefore distorting public policy. I think that was really the crux in what the Supreme Court has said. To the BJP and to the Prime Minister, this is almost like a personal embarrassment. And I think this judgment is something that is really going to hit the party. I would, only on one point, I would urge the Supreme Court. Now that you've declared that all these contributions are actually illegal, that's what I get. I haven't seen the full judgment.
It's unconstitutional, that's what the Supreme Court said.
If that is the case, then not only the remaining money, but probably the entire money that was donated through these bonds over the last 7, 8, 9 years, I think the entire money should be withdrawn. And the political parties must be asked to take that back and give it back to the various donors. Because, if the money I have received is illegal, and government has declared that it is illegal,
right,
the illegal money has to go back,
right,
to whoever it comes from.
So there you are, Nabila. Sandeep Dixit demanding that not only the part which is unutilized, but also if the parties have utilized the contribution that has been made as far as electoral bonds are concerned, the Supreme Court should ask those parties to give that money back.